We serve over 17,000 students across credit and non-credit programs, and last year we awarded over 3,000 credentials to people who want to do better in their life.
80% plus graduate tuition-free, zero debt. Zero debt. We prepare students for careers of today and the careers of tomorrow. It's hands-on, it's real work. They're learning in labs, they're learning in simulations.
1 out of every 64 jobs in our 3 county areas can be tied to the work that we do at this college. We are a force, an important force in this region and an important force among the great 28 colleges.
We are a trusted partner in this education ecosystem, a trusted partner for the business community, and we are a trusted partner for the students that we serve.